The St. George, Utah area has absolutely blown up the last few years with an influx of people eager to enjoy the beauty of southern Utah. Manning Drone Services has been one of the drone companies that's captured this beauty and growth from the air. But what has set us apart from our competitors is our ability to create orthomosaic maps and 3D models or digital twins with the help of our partner, DroneDeploy. This is an incredible service that specializes in reality capture, and we've been able to use DroneDeploy to provide data and progress reports for lenders, developers, property managers, and my personal favorite, golf courses. Superintendents have found the data especially valuable as it includes contours, elevations, and a plant health report that enables them to identify areas of stress from the air. And we, of course, can always provide beautiful aerial imagery for marketing purposes, including tee to green videos for golf courses to show the golfers what they're going to be playing before they arrive. Please contact Manning Drone Services today, because your vision deserves the best view.